Hello, students of Standard 3rd and 4th, JV Mall Public School. Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is one and many means singular number and plural number. This topic is taken from your English practice book. First tell me what we learned in the last videos from practice book. Yes, we learned noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, an animal or bird. And we learned pronoun. To avoid repetition, we use pronoun. Pronoun means replacing words. Instead of person, instead of noun, we use replacing word to avoid repetition. Now today we are learning one and many. So listen carefully, students. When there is only one thing, we use the singular meaning word. When there is only one thing, we use singular meaning word in singular number or one. When there are many of something, we use the plural number naming words. Means when there are more than one, things are more than one, we use many, means plural naming word. Most naming words can be changed into the plural from by adding s or es. Okay. Most naming words can be changed into the plural from by adding on s to it. Okay. Words that end with o, s, x, ch, sh, ss can be changed into the plural form by adding es. When the end of the word end with o, s, x, ch, sh, ss can be changed into the plural form by adding es. These are some rules, simple rules. Okay, you have to learn this. Now look at the picture. Add s or es. One bird, there is a one bird. One bird. So the answer will be for many. How many birds are there on the branch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 birds. One bird, 5 birds. We will use birds s. We use s for many birds. Then one egg, and for many egg we use eggs s. We will add s in that word. Okay, like here are 7 eggs, so we will use 7 eggs. Then one clock. Here is a one clock. Then count it. How many clocks are in the next picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 clocks. We will use s in the clock. Then the next picture, one sheep. Here is a one sheep, and for 2 ships, there are 2 ships in the next picture. We will use 2 ships. ships. We will add s. Then one boy, and in another picture there are 3 boys. We will add s. Here are some words we will discuss about this. Bus, buses. We will use es. As we learn in the rule that if the word ends with s, we use es. bus bus, bus es buses. class, class es classes, because this word is end with s, so we will use es. Card, 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 cards, we will use only s. Cards. Match, matches. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes, ears. Animal, animals, we will use only s, animals. Potato, potatoes, ears. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Dish, dishes. Church, churches. Box, boxes. As we learn in the rule that if the last alphabet last letter is x, ch, s, o, we will use es for making the word in plural form. Egg, eggs. Sheep, sheeps. So students, this is your practice book work. So complete this work in the practice book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.